Have you ever stopped to think about the technology that surrounds you every single day? Your smartphone, the Wi-Fi you're probably using right now, the GPS that guides you, even the medical devices that save lives. Behind so many of these incredible innovations is a global organization you might not know much about, the IEEE. So, what exactly is the IEEE? It stands for the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. But don't let the name fool you. It's so much more than just a club for engineers. The IEEE is the world's largest technical professional organization, and its mission is simple yet profound: to advance technology for the benefit of humanity. Think of it as the central nervous system for the entire tech world, connecting brilliant minds, fostering innovation, and setting the standards that make our modern lives possible. Let's start with a big one: standards. Have you ever seen the label IEEE 802.11 on your Wi-Fi router? That's an IEEE standard. It's the universal language that allows devices from different manufacturers, your Apple phone, your Samsung TV, your Dell laptop, to all connect to the same wireless network seamlessly. Without these standards, the tech world would be a chaotic mess of incompatible gadgets. The IEEE brings order to that chaos, developing the rules of the road for everything from Ethernet to Bluetooth, and even the electrical grid that powers our homes. This work is fundamental. It ensures safety, reliability, and interoperability, which in turn accelerates innovation and allows companies to build products we can all use together. The IEEE's support for the electronics industry is immense. It acts as a massive global library and conference hall. Through its digital library, IEEE Explore, researchers and engineers get access to millions of articles, papers, and conference proceedings. This is where the latest breakthroughs are published and shared. If a company wants to develop the next generation of microchips or a new AI algorithm, the first place they look is the cutting-edge research published by the IEEE. This sharing of knowledge prevents innovators from reinventing the wheel and allows them to build upon the successes of others. It's a powerful catalyst for progress, fueling the R&D departments of countless tech companies, from small startups to global giants. Beyond just publishing papers, the IEEE hosts thousands of conferences and events all over the world. These aren't just stuffy academic gatherings. They are vibrant hubs of activity where the brightest minds in technology come together. Imagine being in a room with the very people who are designing the future of quantum computing, renewable energy, or artificial intelligence. At these events, ideas are exchanged, collaborations are born, and the seeds for future technologies are planted. This direct interaction is crucial for the industry. It helps bridge the gap between academic research and practical application, ensuring that new discoveries quickly make their way into the products and services we use every day. Now, let's talk about what the IEEE can do for you as an individual. Whether you're a student just starting your journey, a young professional looking to make your mark, or a seasoned expert wanting to stay ahead of the curve, the IEEE has something to offer. For students, it's a golden ticket. Student branches on university campuses provide a community of peers, hands-on projects, competitions, and networking opportunities with industry professionals. It's a way to get practical experience that goes far beyond the classroom, making you a much more attractive candidate for internships and jobs. Imagine putting IEEE robotics competition winner on your resume before you even graduate. That's a powerful advantage. For professionals, the benefits are just as significant. An IEEE membership is a mark of credibility and commitment to your field. It signals to employers and colleagues that you are serious about lifelong learning and staying current with technological advancements. Membership gives you access to that incredible IEEE Explore library I mentioned, exclusive webinars, and discounts on conferences. It's your personal toolkit for continuous professional development, but perhaps the most valuable benefit is the network. Being part of the IEEE connects you to a global community of over 400,000 members in more than 160 countries. This isn't just a list of contacts. It's a network of potential mentors, collaborators, employers, and friends who share your passion for technology. This network can open doors to career opportunities you never even knew existed. Moreover, the IEEE offers opportunities to give back and shape the future. Members can volunteer to organize conferences, review technical papers, or help develop new standards. This isn't just work. It's a chance to have a real impact, to contribute your expertise to a cause bigger than yourself. You could be part of the team that defines the standards for 6 grams communication or ethical AI development. How amazing is that? It is a way to leave a legacy and ensure that technology continues to evolve in a way that truly benefits everyone. The organization also has a strong focus on humanitarian efforts, using technology to solve real-world problems in underserved communities, from providing clean energy solutions to improving healthcare access. So, the IEEE isn't just some abstract organization. It's the engine room of the technological revolution. It's the framework that supports the entire electronics and computing industry, ensuring that our devices work together and that innovation continues at a breakneck pace. And on a personal level, it's a pathway to career growth, a global community, and a chance to be part of something truly meaningful. It's about connecting people, sharing knowledge, and building the future, one standard, one paper, and one connection at a time. The next time you connect to EFI or use a piece of cutting-edge technology, remember the vast, collaborative effort that made it possible and the central role played by the IEEE.
IEEE extends far beyond the world of engineering. Its work is fundamental to building smart cities, with technologies for intelligent transportation and energy-efficient buildings. In healthcare, IEEE research contributes to medical imaging, telemedicine, and health monitoring devices that improve patient care. The entire digital economy, from e-commerce to fintech, relies on the stable and interoperable digital infrastructure that IEEE standards help create. Looking to the future, IEEE's role is only going to grow. As we venture into the era of artificial intelligence, quantum computing, autonomous vehicles, and next-generation communication networks, IEEE will be there, guiding innovation, setting standards, and ensuring these powerful new technologies are developed ethically and for the good of all. In summary, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers is a cornerstone of our modern technological world. From setting the standards that make global communication possible to fostering the research that will define our future, IEEE's mission to advance technology for humanity is making a real difference. For anyone passionate about technology, it offers a gateway to knowledge, connection, and career growth. In a world driven by digital systems, IEEE is truly a force shaping the future of global technology. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that shapes our world. This is Tech in Minute. See you in the next one.
And we all got dreams.